go ahead and check that heart out. Okay, everything sounds great.
Good, sound good.
Yep, sounds great. Check your temperature. Let's do it on your right here. Great temperature.
Yeah?
Yeah, 97.2.
Wait.
Yep.
Is that low?
No, it has smiley face.
Oh. Thought that was low. Dr. Pepper's so good.
Oh, great.
Thank you. Feel a little tired though.
That's normal.
You feel tired after drinking heavy? Ooh, that was a big sip. That's good.
Excuse me. All right, open wide.
Oh. Oh.
Under.
Mm.
That's great.
Yeah. Whew. How long have you been pregnant?
4 months.
4 months. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to lie. Oh, bless you.
It's getting hot in here.
You get hot?
Yeah, just a little warm.
I'm kind of cold.
Where should I check your temperature? I'm hot.
Wait, what?
Hot.
You're hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, just maybe drink it, it'll cool down.
Having like a hot flash or something.
Wonder why.
I don't know.
Interesting.
Time for blood pressure.
You okay? You okay?
Yeah. I'll be fine.
Yeah? Oh, hopefully it's not like self-inflicted, you know? Oh, excuse me.
How's it go?
Feels good. You got those tight ones right here.
All right, that's good.
Ooh. I'm kind of sweating, Doc. Like,
Yeah.
okay, sorry.
Cool
nurse.
down.
Sorry, I keep calling you doctor.
Ugh. Oh wow. I'm.
Interesting.
enjoying your
Oh yeah, of course.
drink.
Cheers. I haven't had soda in probably about like 3 months. Tastes so good. Tastes a little different though than I remember. Doc, do you want to lay down? Do you want to switch spots?
No. I'm done. You're the patient. So like we're almost done with your. Yeah.
Okay. Almost done with. Maybe you should stop drinking that. Maybe.
No, I'm good.
Maybe you're feeling hot, right?
No, don't worry about me.
Okay. Are you sure?
Don't worry about me.
Okay.
It's probably just pregnancy heat flashes.
Hopefully. I care about you. Like you care about me.
Excuse me.
But
Almost done there.
almost done. Feeling good. I'm feeling less tired now.
Drink.
Yeah, taking it.
27.1.
I went down. Is that normal? 97? I thought like the average temperature was 92. Right. Oh, almost done. Just want to be able to enjoy this last bit. It's like a different color. You see that?
Yeah.
See the color difference?
Just a little.
I wonder why.
It's like at the end. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna finish this. Oh, yeah.
How you feeling?
I feel great. I feel great. How are you feeling?
I'm good. You don't have to worry about me. Yeah.
Your temperature said like 99. Like that's bad, right?
Don't worry about me. You're feeling good though?
Do you want me to feel good?
Yeah, of course, you're my patient.
I mean, I can tell I'm healing, which is good. But I saw you put something in my drink.
What?
I saw you pull something out of your fake pregnant belly and you put it in my drink. But I swapped it and you're drinking it. Like, what did you put in there? Like, what is even in there?
I'm drinking?
Yeah. What did you do? Like, doctor!
That was some NyQuil.